What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are talking about summer essentials. When I say summer essentials, I'm talking about the things that I have found that I can't live without this summer. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, you know the drill. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that you get notifications and you don't miss any future uploads. And I also want to thank Lookstand for sponsoring a small portion of today's video, which we will get into in just a little bit. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into my summer essentials. So to get us started, I do want to kind of start with skincare products that I really feel like this summer have just been my absolute go-tos. And one of my most used products this summer has been the Tula Rose Glow and Get It Cooling Eye Brightening Balm. This stuff is so good. This product has the most soothing, cooling sensation under the eye. It is just so good, and I love the glow that it gives. I typically use this under my eyes all the way up to kind of my brow bone, my occipital bone, I think is what it's called. But I also like to use this on the high points of my cheek. I like to use this going down my nose, on my cupid's bow. I kind of like to use this where I would typically highlight. It just gives you this instant hydration that I can't even explain. I love it. I've been using it nonstop. I keep one in my purse. It's just amazing. This is like perfect to keep in a pool bag as well. It's so good. One of the things that I think is definitely a summer essential, and it's turned into one of my favorite things that I own. I feel like this is something that everyone will get use out of, but especially if you're a content creator, or if you watch TV on your phone a lot, or if you are just on your phone a lot, I feel like everyone is, you're gonna love this product. You're gonna love this, and that is the Lookstand Onyx Phone Stand. It is the most genius little product. So here it is. You attach it to either your phone case or your actual phone. I attached it to my phone case. It's so sleek. You pull it out just like this. If you are vlogging, or if you need to take a picture or anything like that, you can hold it in your hand like this, which is so comfortable. It actually flips horizontal as well, so you can use it this way. Literally so convenient, y'all. Okay, but that's not it. It actually extends out further, so you can actually hold it like this. And then it extends out further, okay? And then this flips up, these little things flip out, and this is how it sits. So you can literally set this up, you can film videos, you can do Zoom calls, you can be on a business call, you can do FaceTime, you can literally do anything. You can read a book, you can text. It makes it much easier to text. And the reason I say it's a summer essential is because this is something that you can take to the pool, you can take to the beach, you can literally have it with you wherever you go. If you're traveling, you can set it up in your car if you need to get on a business call. It just makes it so convenient for pretty much any phone use. I love how discreet this is when it's all folded up. No one would even know that you're basically carrying around a mini tripod for your phone. And it literally spins 360 degrees to get any angle that you need to get. And there is 3 level heights that you can put it at. And especially if you're texting a lot, this actually helps to avoid tech neck, where you're bent over, hunched over, and it's messing up your spine. This helps to alleviate that and make it very ergonomic, which I love. As a content creator, this is just the most convenient little product that I think I've ever discovered. I am currently obsessed with this and definitely feel like this is a summer essential. I'll leave all the information for the Lookstand in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. And thank you to Lookstand for sponsoring this small portion of today's video. Sticking to skincare, I swear by sunscreen. You guys know this. I wear sunscreen every single day, but especially during the summer, I never ever skip using sunscreen specifically on my face. And this is the one that I've been using because it just works so well. This is the La Roche-Posay. This is the light fluid sunscreen. It's a very thin consistency. It has SPF 60. It does not leave a white cast. That's my favorite part. And it's water resistant up to 80 minutes. It does seem to really hold up well. A lot of sunscreens just kind of sweat right off of my face, and this one does not. Oh, and it doesn't break me out. The next product I want to talk about is another face skincare makeup-y type of product. I feel like it's more skincare than makeup. During the summer, I don't like to wear a lot of heavy, thick, full coverage foundations. I do like to reach for more of like a BB cream or a CC cream or even a tinted moisturizer. Tinted moisturizers typically don't give me any coverage because I do like something that's going to even out my skin tone a little bit. Until I found this product, it is by far my favorite tinted moisturizer I have ever used, and it is this product right here. I have it in several shades. This is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. It has an SPF of 30. It helps to even out the skin. It's not thick. It is very lightweight, just like a tinted moisturizer is. It provides the extra protection against the sun, but it also just leaves my skin feeling fresh and a little more evened out, and I am obsessed with it. It also gives a really kind of nice glow to the skin, so I have been obsessed with this product. All right, this next product I legit have been using every single day since I got it. I can't get enough of it, and it is the Pixi On The Glow Blush Tinted Moisturizer Stick. They come in 3 different shades, or I have 3 different shades. This cream blush is my favorite cream blush I own. It really is. I can literally use this over powder and it blends out beautifully, or under powder, blends out beautifully. It's just so good. But this shade is called Ruby. If you want that sunburnt type of look to the skin, this is the shade. I feel like this is a shade that would look good on every skin tone, but it just provides that like sun-kissed, little bit of a sunburnt type of look to the skin. I also like to use this on my lips. It gives that kind of popsicle stained lip look. It's so good, and it's very, very hydrating. It's not drying on the skin. It's just beautiful. Sticking to the face products, you're gonna see a theme here. I like glowy, I like dewy, I like anything that's gonna brighten my skin. This product does exactly that. This is the e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick. This particular one is the one that I love. This is in the shade Champagne Crystal. I don't like to use this as an eyeshadow stick. I feel like they don't work well as an eyeshadow stick. I like to particularly use this as a highlight. I like to use it in the inner corner of my eyes. I like to use it in the waterline to give just this beautiful kind of glistening type of look, especially in the sun. When the sun hits your eye, if you have this in the waterline, it gives this beautiful glow. I also like to kind of pop it right underneath my brow bone for a little extra glow. It's just this beautiful, like, glittery, glistening color. That's a terrible explanation, but it's beautiful. Highly recommend. Very affordable. You should get it. All right, the next product is a lip product, and again, during the summer, I cannot be bothered with thick, goopy lipsticks. I don't like matte lips during the summer. I need something that's movable. I need something that's not gonna get dried out. I just love a lip balm, basically, is what I'm trying to get at. During the summer, I like a lip balm. This one, it's so good. It's so good. It's like a barely there. It's what I have on. It's a barely there color, but it's just enough to make your lips look like yours, but better, a little juicier. The hydration that it gives is what I really love about it. And this is the NARS Orgasm Afterglow Lip Balm. So pretty, y'all. It's not just the color. The color is very sheer, very sheer. It's the hydration. It's the feel of it on the lips. Definitely a summer essential for me. Maybe it might be a summer essential for you. I don't know. You should give it a shot. The last face item is something that I don't have naturally, and that is freckles. Okay, listen, I'm not saying that it's a summer essential for you. This is something that I love. I love when I see girls with freckles on their face. It's so cute. It's just so like reminiscent of summer. I wasn't born with freckles on my face. I want those like natural, you were born with them type of freckles. I have not found a product that actually gave me that kind of natural looking freckles until I found this product. Okay, this is from Pseudo Labs and it's called Freckles. Very clever name, very clever name. This is water resistant, so very good for the summer because we're sweating. It's hot as all get out outside. This product has just been my new favorite freckle product of all time. It did take me a couple of times of really using this, playing around with it, figuring out exactly how it works, how to use it, where to place it and all of that to get the hang of it. Couple of times, and then I kind of got it down pat. This has just definitely been one of my go-to products for the summer. One of my summer essentials is a hair mask. I don't care what kind of hair mask you have, you need a good hair mask if you are swimming in chlorine, if you're swimming in the ocean in salt water, if you are out in the sun a lot, your hair is going to get dried out. You need hydration. You need a really good hair mask. And this one is the one that I want to shout out today because it's so affordable. It's now available at Ulta, but you can also pick it up at, I think, Walmart as well. This is from the Hask Curl Care line. This is their intensive deep conditioner, helps to maintain and protect curls. It has coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. The vitamin E helps to strengthen your hair. The coconut oil is going to help hydrate. It's just so good. Get your hands on it. It's worth it. It's only a few bucks, y'all. It's good. My last summer essential is a detangling spray. Y'all, this is so essential, especially if you have curly hair. You need a detangling spray in your beach bag, in your pool bag. When you get out of the water, you need to be spraying something on your hair, something that's gonna melt away the tangles, and something that's gonna give the hair a little protection. This is the Kenra Pearl Detangler. It is a lightweight conditioning milk. And when I tell you this product gives my hair so much shine, it is insane. It's insane. It just melts away all of my tangles, and this actually acts as a really good refresher spray. So even if you're at the pool and you spray it through, comb through any tangles, and then you can just scrunch your hair with this in it and let it air dry in the sun. I love it, love it, love it. And there you have it. That is all of my summer essentials that I have time to share with you because there's plenty more that I would love to share, but we'd be here all day long. In the comments, I want you guys to tell me what is your summer essential products that you've been using this summer. I love you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.